Here is the video tutorial for the chapter 2.7 practice test. It's on dilations. It's a type of transformation. For number 1, it says identify by circling the type of dilation from triangle A to triangle B and find the scale factor. So going from triangle A, which would be our pre-image, to triangle B, which is our image, what am I multiplying to this image to get to this image? Where's my center of dilation? Looks like it's at the origin, but what would be the scale factor? So I can look at a point on the pre-image and a corresponding point on the image and see what I'm multiplying the coordinate by to get the image. That letter K that I'm multiplying the pre-image coordinate by to get the image corresponding coordinate would be our scale factor. Another way to do it would be to say the scale factor is a side on my image divided by a side on my pre-image. So if I see that I have a side length of 3 on my image, and that corresponding side would be a side length of 1, I can say that my scale factor is 3 over 1 or 3. So my scale factor is 3, and if the scale factor is larger than 1, it's an enlargement. You can see that it's getting larger. And if the scale factor is less than 1, it's a reduction. The image is smaller than the pre-image. So in this case, the scale factor is 3, it's an enlargement. Let's go on to number 2. Number 2, very similar, says identify the type of dilation from the pre-image B to the image A as an enlargement or reduction and find the scale factor. So you can see that it's getting smaller. You can circle reduction beforehand, or we can figure out the scale factor if you're unsure. So if I look at a point on the image and then a corresponding point on a pre-image, I'm thinking, what did I have to multiply the pre-image by to get that same point on the image? And another way of saying it is, if I find a side length of the image and I divide it by a side length of the pre-image, I get my scale factor. In this case, I'd be dividing 1 by 3, and so it's a scale factor of 1/3. So my scale factor is 1/3, that's less than 1, and so this is a reduction. For problem number 2, or for problem number 3, it says on the graph, the figure of the polygon DEF, it says on the graph, draw the figure of the polygon DEF, which is a triangle, then draw the dilation with a scale factor of K equals 1/2. Label all the vertices on the graph, answer the questions, and fill in the table with the coordinates of D prime, E prime, and F prime. So first, DEF. So D is at 6, 8, E is at -2, 8, and F is at 4, 6. You start from the center and the origin, and 6, 8, and -2, 8, and 4, 6. And now I'm finding D prime, E prime, F prime. So I'm going to be multiplying D times 1/2, which is a scale factor, to get D prime at 3, because 6 times 1/2 is 3, and 8 times 1/2 is 4. I get D prime at 3, 4. And I can graph that. Then E is at -2, 8, so I multiply that by 1/2 and I get -1, 4. I'm essentially dividing each component of these coordinates by 2, and I get -1, 4. I can graph that over here. And F is at 4, 6, so I multiply that by 1/2 to get 2 comma negative 3. And I can plot that point, and then I have my image. And I'm done with the first part of this. The next part is to answer the questions. What does similar mean? So similar means it's the same shape, just can be different size. So that would be C. Please let me know if you have any questions. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I hope you have a great day.